here's this flip car, 1995 Nissan Altima GXE. I don't know if you could tell on the paint, it's kind of got a little nastiness on there. Now I did take a little wet rag and kind of wiped it right here. You can't see it that good, the difference, but you could definitely feel it. So I figured what I'll do is I'll take the hood, kind of split it down the middle here, and then wash one side and leave one side not washed. We'll see how it comes out. Then we'll clean up these headlights. The starter is dragging on this thing, so we are going to replace it. Pretty straight body overall. This antenna does not go up and down, but we're not going to mess with that because it doesn't affect anything. There's a little oil leak on the front. We'll show you that when we go to clean the engine. We're going to tighten that valve cover down just a little bit and see if that takes care of it. And then we're going to replace. I'll let you know this vehicle runs good. AC blows cold, no rust issues, anything like that. It does have a bunch of miles, but you wouldn't know it if you didn't look at that. So overall, this car's pretty clean, so it ain't gonna take much cleaning on the inside. Just a little clean here and there. I don't think this needs too much, so this is going to be a pretty easy flip car, I believe. It's got new tires, cruise control works. Well, that button on the horn works. This is going to be a cheap car, so I don't want to start fixing little things like this extra horn button and all that. No need for it. We're going to keep it cheap. So we're going to replace what has to be replaced, get it cleaned up nice. This would be a good car for someone. You can see here we got all this to clean up. But, you know, that shouldn't be too bad. So here's the first things we're going to do to this car. We're going to use some regular car wash on half the hood there, and we'll dry it up. And then we will try this car wash that I've had forever from the Dollar General, and hopefully it's still good, and we'll polish that and see what it does. Now, just some washing, and not even a real good job washing. You could see the left side versus the right side. Well, I guess it'd actually be right and left, but anyway, this side versus that side. So now we'll throw down this polish. So, just one little coat of polish and a little quick wash. I can tell you, it's much smoother. I don't know if y'all can hear the difference, especially up here in the front. Anyway, It looks better, but we'll get the pressure washer out, pressure wash it real good, get some of this, might even take it all the way back down with some dishwasher liquid, or maybe this kind of looks like a single stay. I don't know. We'll play around with this till we get the till we get it clean, and then I think this, when we're done, it's gonna come out looking much better. There's the expanded view there. Done. Not done. Alright guys, back here with the 95 Nissan Altima. Already done the oil change. Getting ready to put these rear struts on. It's a little weird. You gotta take the back seat top out in order to get to the tower, strut tower. So it's a little different. This is where we was on the hood before. We cleaned it and then put a little bit of wax on it. And that's what it was before we did that. Now it does look a little shinier, but there's still some stuff in it. You know, it started like this, so it does look better. But I went ahead and took a page of the Vice Grip Garage's book and got some Brillo pads and scrubbed this little corner right here to see what it does. And I'll tell you, it took out all that grime there, and it looks better than that. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and do the whole car like this, then I'll come back and put wax on it, and I think that's going to give us our best part. This is the last thing to do to this car. I've already done the shocks, or should I say the struts, and the stuff in the rear there. It's already got the starter on it. It's already pretty clean on the inside. Everything works. AC blows cold. I was thinking maybe I'll tape this off and paint it, and I might do that, but pretty much that's all we're gonna do to this car. I don't got too much money in it. It's got a bunch of miles. I've still got to make money back on it, so we'll probably clean it up, go ahead and paint them spots there, and call it a day. We'll be done with it. I might do, yeah, I'm gonna clean the headlights too, and then put some shine on the tires, and that's it. So we'll clean it up and get it ready to sell. That's all we're gonna do to it. You can run your hand over it and feel the difference. It looks, that was just some spray wax real quick. It looks, it feels 100% better. So now I'll go ahead and get some regular wax out. Got too many cars sitting around here, huh? Anyway, still got more at the lot too. We'll go ahead and get some wax out and hit this thing with some wax real quick and see if we can't get a shine on it. But it looks and feels much better. I'm happy with it. Alright, there it is all finished up, guys. So you see the paint's not perfect, but not only is it smooth, you can actually see a reflection in it. Got this thing all cleaned up, ready to go. I vacuumed where I was sitting, but yeah, got all the protecting on the dash and everything. Everything works. Still this little dent here. I'm not gonna worry about it. We're gonna let it roll. But she's clean. She's strong. It's ready to go.